Hello. So here's a cool product I've been working up, AI block summarizer. Yeah. So basically I've been a big fan of Maclu, so I've always wanted to be in the indie hacking space. So I built a very small product, a free product, that basically does an AI summary of a post and also extract the key points, the summary, and also the action item. So just basically it. So I built this tool using Firecrawl and AI SDK and ChatGPT. Yeah, pretty basic, straight to the point. So let's just get right into it. So I'm just going to put in a post from MacLu. So this is my solopreneur journey story from 0 to 65K a month in 2 years. So basically what this app does is, first thing first, it goes to this blog to get the contact. It uses Firecrawl's um API to get the content. Then we also use ChatGPT to extract the key point and the summary. So we can see that the summary say this article narrates McLeod's journey from being fired by Ty Lopez. Yeah, so it just goes into detail. Then we get the key points, which is McLeod's journey began after being fired, leading him to discover the building public community on Twitter. He launched 17 products in 2 years, growing his newsletter. So Leo emphasizes the importance of building products for customers he cares about, leading to successful ventures. So basically, yeah, and also the lessons we can get from this is success often comes from persistence and learning from failures. Building in public creates valuable connections and feedback. It's crucial to find product market fit. Yeah, basically, then action items is identify your role in your field to stay motivated. Yeah, so basically it gives the user base it gives the user, sorry. So basically it gives the user information about the blog, about the article. So yeah, that's just basically it. That's basically what it does. So we can now dig deeper into the code. So the real meat of the application comes from this guy. So basically I'm using Firecrawl's API. So Firecrawl's SDK, right, to script the URL in Markdown or HTML format. If it's successful, so these are the validations, right? So it checks if it's in Markdown, if it's HTML. Then if it's none of them, it logs out the error, which is scripting failed. It shows an error, so the application knows that this scripting failed. Then we also look at if the markdown content is not there, fail to obtain markdown content. So it basically logs it out. So if all of these are successful, that's when it then feeds into AI SDK using the 4.0 mini, and we use Vercel's AI SDK generate object. So really, this means I can just define how I want the schema to look like without having to like go deep. So basically, this is the summary. The summary is the string. Key points is an array of strings, so a minimum of one must have at least one key point. Then action items, same thing. So just basically adding the validation here and also the thumbnail URL, which is optional. Yeah, so that's just basically it. So after this is being called, basically just returns the response. So this is a server action. So there's really no API endpoint. So this is just a server action. So we can just summarize article. We can just look at this and we can see it's being called here. So after the user after the user submits, so one of the first things first, it appends the URL, then it calls the server action. Then after the server action returns the response, it sets the data here, it sets state, and yeah, that's basically it. That's just basically it. So it's really straight to the point, and this can be extended, right? So for example, on any other blog site, this can be extended so long as because we are using the Firecrawl infrastructure, so you really don't have to worry about the nitty-gritties of things, and you'll be able to get the data. Yeah, that's just basically about this product demo. Thanks for watching, and do stay safe. So you can basically deploy this on Vercel or just look at the repo. Also please kindly give this product a star on GitHub if you if you like it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do stay safe. Bye.